In today's video, I'm going to give an update on Blaze Pizza. As we've been seeing, the Blaze Pizza franchise payback period has really hampered their growth over the last 3 or 4 years. So for those that aren't familiar with Blaze Pizza, it's a California-based fast casual pizza chain, mostly serving pizza. They have some other menu items. Founded by Elise and Rick Wetzel back in 2011. It follows the cookie steps that Chipotle did establish when you're ordering a burrito at Chipotle. You go through the line, where Blaze Pizza kind of mimicked some aspects of when you order a burrito from Chipotle, but in their case, you're ordering a pizza from Blaze Pizza. They had some initial success, $1.8 million at their store in Irvine, $2.5 million at their Pasadena locations. Blaze Pizza has 300 plus locations across the US, Canada, as well as a few locations in the Middle East. Blaze Pizza is competing in the pizza market against big brand companies such as Domino's, Pizza Hut, as well as Mod Pizza that has kind of a similar concept as Blaze Pizza. The Blaze Pizza franchise fee is going to set you back $30,000. The initial investment, anywhere from $600 to $1.1 million to open up a Blaze Pizza. Royalty 5%, marketing fee 2%, pretty standard for a food and beverage franchise. Now, let's get into the numbers. How much do Blaze Pizza franchise owners make? What's the salary compensation? Or if you have numerous locations, what's the EBITDA on one of these businesses? So going first with the average sales per Blaze Pizza restaurant. 2020, average sales were $1 million. You had a franchisee making $2.3 million. And then on the low end, someone struggling just making $428,000 in sales. 2021, sales did go up over 10% to $1.15 million. Median sales were about the same at 1.1. High gross sales, $2.8 million. I imagine that guy is making close to $1 million selling pizza in terms of what he could be putting in his pocket. But on $2.8 million of sales, the profit margin really goes way up. And a restaurant is struggling, making $393,000 on the low end. So let's use those average sales, $1.1 million for 2021. Imagine you had invested $965,000 to open up the Blaze Pizza and you're doing a profit margin of 15%. You could expect $165,000 on that. Time to recoup your capital, 7.5 years. We estimate, depending on the performance of your location and how much you invested, anywhere from 6 to 10 years to get your initial capital back after investing in a Blaze Pizza. Again, that's 6 to 10 years to get your initial capital back. And that's a bit of a long time for a pizza concept when you look at Domino's, for example, that you could get your money back in significantly less time. Obviously, Domino's is a different format, probably not as enjoyable running a Domino's, being in a Domino's as it is a Blaze Pizza. That aesthetically, it's just a nicer build out and probably a place to hang out. But money talks, money shouts, and a Domino's is going to earn you significantly more money than a Blaze Pizza as a franchisee. Now, if you're looking to open up a Blaze Pizza in a second generation location at closer to $500,000, $600,000, or maybe in a non-traditional location like an airport or university, train station, that could make a lot more sense. When you go to sell your Blaze Pizza franchise, trading, generally 60% of the median sales. So you could sell for $650,000. That is lower than the midpoint investment by about $200,000. And Blaze Pizza is a loss-making business for the franchisor. So they had losses of $2.8 million in 2020 and then $1.5 million in 2021. So if you're going to invest in Blaze Pizza, be sure to talk to the franchisor and franchisees about the financial stability at the corporate level, at the franchisor level. Are they going to be around for many years? LeBron James is a big face behind Blaze Pizza. It seems like he hasn't been as shrewd with his franchise investments compared to Shaq, who we did a video on and has a crazy amount of franchise holdings and a new brand, Big Chicken, that's growing a lot. Time will tell. Blaze Pizza, we have seen some resales at $250,000, $500,000. So be careful if you're going to open up a Blaze Pizza. Just be sure to vet the information that you get from current franchisees, as well as talk to some former franchisees to see if it was worth opening a Blaze Pizza and if they would have done it again.